In this video, we are going to see that, how can we remove blemishes from face using PicsArt. Let's start this video. First open your picture in PicsArt Application. Then go to Beauty option, and select blemishes in it. Set the brush size of your choice, and paint on the blemishes. Now click on tick icon. Now, tap on FX tab, and go to Blur option. Tap on Eraser. Select Brush and set the hardness to 1 and opacity to 38. Now start painting on the spots present on face. Now tap on tick icon. Now, your picture is ready and blemish-free. Here is the result. Please subscribe our channel, if you learned anything